Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. Sir, what's the matter, boy?
I see. It's a blurry. Move! Everybody move!
Pepper spray.
Come outside!
Fuck it. I just only deal with people. One guy.
Jamaican people and people around the world. You see the finance minister and the prime minister. You see, so them take people for idiot, Jamaican people for clown. You see them a laugh at Jamaican people. Once a 2,000 can save and buy Pro Box for 3 years. And once if one have fish back with the $1,000. People, you see them people really take Jamaica people for granted. But the man can raise his salary from 9 million to 20 odd million, right? The man can put 19 million pound fee pay. He can take fee pay from 500,000 a month to $2 million a month. And he might tell you hard work in Jamaica to save $2,000 a month for 3 years and go buy Pro Box. And then if you go take the $1,000 buy fish back. Jamaica people, this is what the Labour Right Party gone to. I tell Jamaican people to do. They don't have nothing to present in a budget because everything we see in care back a thing we done the saying do already. And he never do them. Things when saying give, we never give. And then he might go tell the people and can have fish back and save 2,000 for buy Pro Box. The hard working Jamaican class people. Trust me, man. All them for do that, Jamaica. All them for do that to Jamaican hard working people. That's a disgrace. Disgrace to the police officer them who work for them. It's a disgrace to the soldier. Disgrace to yo, me not want to talk more about the fish back thing and 2,000, man. Trust me. It's a disgrace, man. Low life that. Low life. Them are low life. Alright, Labour rights. See, no for to come out and me no hear none to come out and say I'm a Labour right and them for tap bash back goalie. How much I own a Labour right of pitney? I mean I would discriminate, but I use a very strong word. But not indiscriminate nobody. How much I own a pitney, whether I say right off as handicap. And at the same foundation, the Mark Golding father and mother spend time build and to care about them. Teach them and put them back on road where they can become man tomorrow. We want them with that fret say, if we're dead, we don't know how them are manage. How much are we a labor right? Or who know a labor right? Come in and a labor right. How much are we know a labor right? Have pity and can contest and say, yes, my child has passed through that system. So if you have a child and child pass through that system, that technically saying, Mark Golan parents been thinking about the poor. And Mark Golan grew up thinking about poor, have the feelings of poor. I've grew up with a family that are poor. My mother loving and caring. My mother that give her the last so she have and do without. I'm going to find myself and take up the same principle. So children live what they learned. And also children can adapt to the influence around them and learn. So now come out and talk the truth, man. And stop play politics. Call good and bad. And don't allow the Prime Minister to give him bitter medicine. In the promise, you know. And him tell him, so world Prime Minister accountable. I not drink the bitter medicine and not understand what I'm going. Do you remember Jim Jones? One good preacher used to preach every Sunday. Everybody that come on TV and sit down and listen to him. Every Sunday he used to be the biggest preacher on Sunday daytime. Do you remember when he do to the congregation? He take them and tell them, say, I meet them maker. Do you remember when though? He poison off all of them. One who follow back a people and put no confidence in a people. People will call you a meeting and mix up poison and give you for drink. You for learn to think for no one. That means I say critical thinking. Stop love handout on no belly. No teeth on no belly can't go on a grave. Never hear song say? I work for my own. You don't need to learn to work for no one. And start take promise and handout. Because see them promise you them a Portland 20,000 and 50,000. That's all them go around and do. Promise youth money. And try to give youth money. Youth. I'm going to say this time close the video. Uno stop by. Let's later on man I'll give you no money and lead you know. Go rape you know. Uno stop take it.
We all come down to the flat. Down in the yellow sand land we built. Up in the Moran plain. And we're going to fix the onion business. Because let me tell you something. St. Thomas is a natural habitat for onions. But you know the biggest enemy for onions? The biggest enemy is our member of parliament. Out of the 8 companies that import onion, the most onion in Jamaica, 5 of those entities belong to the member of parliament. If you don't believe me and you want to make a quote, tell him to sue me. So when we hear Dayton, I talk about the politician and we get the permit for bringing the agriculture produce. Him a one of them. I'm going to call him out tonight. Hold on. I'm going to show you how wicked. When he get the permit them, he see about the permit them. Sometimes he have 4 or 5 permit. Can member say no. Me go to all of the agriculture school them in the land, you know. So my friend them a work, you know. Because if you work in agriculture, you must go either heal him, or agriculture or not Calva. The whole of them are my friend. Listen now. Him see about the whole of the permit them. It's when the local honey and come in, he bring him out 4 containers one time. There's a law in economics that we call both supply and demand. We're not going to go into the classroom tonight. But if you flood the market and create a glut, price going to go down. And that's exactly what him do. Why him do it? Because him have the largest cold storage facility in Jamaica, Prestige Storage. So when him bring in all the onion and the price go down. Farmers can't sell the onion. There is a crisis in the parish. He send no trucks. He no coming up. I ain't behind the scene. He send no trucks and buy the people them onion for $40 a pound. He take them back to him storage facility. Him store them. 3 weeks or 4 weeks later, he let them out on the market. The onion they start sell for $300 a pound. A real vulture capitalist. So the situation what we have, the same man, what the people them vote for to represent them, and the same man has stabbed them in them back. In commit treason. The people of St. Thomas need to deport him and send him out of the parish.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, some we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast bread, fruit and banana.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see how that ex yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you work long hours and can't get no pay if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.